Hello guys, for today we're gonna tackle hydrologic cycle. For us, what is hydrologic cycle? Hydrologic cycle involves the continuous circulation of water in the Earth atmosphere system at its core. The water cycle is the motion of the water from the ground to the atmosphere and back again. Next is, what is the processes in hydrologic cycle? There are 7 processes in hydrologic cycle. Step 1. Evaporation. The water cycle begins with evaporation. It is a process where water at the surface turns into water vapors. Water absorbs heat energy from the sun and turns into vapors. Water bodies like oceans, the seas, the lakes, and the river bodies, are the main source of evaporation. As water evaporates, it reduces the temperature of the bodies. Step 2. Condensation. As water vaporizes into water vapor, it rises up in the atmosphere at the high altitudes. The water vapor changes into very tiny particles of ice water droplets because of low temperature. Step 3. Sublimation. It's a process where ice directly converts into water vapors without converting into liquid water. This phenomenon accelerates when the temperature is low or pressure is high. Its main source are from the ice sheets of North and South Pole and ice caps on the mountain. Step 4. Precipitation. The clouds condense water vapors then pour down as precipitation due to wind or temperature change. This occurs because the water droplets combine to make bigger droplets. When the air cannot hold anymore, it precipitates. Step 5. Transpiration is a process similar to evaporation where liquid water is turned into water vapor by the plants. The roots of the plants absorb the water and push it toward leaves, which is used for photosynthesis. The extra water is moved out of leaves through stomata as water vapors. Those water enters the biosphere and exits into gaseous space. Step 6. Runoff. Runoff is the process where water runs over the surface of the earth. When the snow melts into water, it also leads to runoff. As water runs over the ground, it displaces the topsoil with it and moves the minerals along with the stream. This runoff combines to form channels, rivers, and ends up into lakes, seas, and oceans. The last step, step 7, infiltration. Some of the water that precipitates does not run off into the rivers and is absorbed by the plants or gets evaporated. It moves deep into the soil. This is called infiltration. That is all about the hydrologic cycle. Thank you all for watching, guys.